Time check 5:41 AM. Nandito na tayo sa Banawe. Grabe fog. Pagod. Papahinga ko lang ang ating motor. Grabe, ibay niya, no? Ibay ng Dominar, no? Na-appreciate. Ha? Na-appreciate ko sa ngayon, eh. So, nakakapagod pala tong trip na ginawa ko. Akala ko parang marilaki rides lang. Grabe yung nakita mo yung mga banking skills ko doon. Puro alanganin. So ayun, shoutout kay Sir Enjo. Ang lupit ng pagkagawa mo sa ilaw. Kaya itong experience na.
Nakakaiyak.
It feels surreal.
Alam mo kung saan ako naiyak. Sa bako.
Kaya ngayon, ganitong mga wire yung mga naglaglagan doon.
Hi guys, we're here at Ifugao. So foggy here. Stop over lang kami dahil kami ay magkakape.
Time check. Naras na 7:02 AM. Andito na tayo sa Banawe. Arko ng Banawe. Lamig dito. So yan na.
On the block, now we here. The taste of victories in the air like a lamb. Oh, it's so lovely. Oh, what a year. We just put the change in this atmosphere. Yeah, it's go time. Breaking through the gravel for gold mine. 2 feet away from the goal line. This aftermath of a hard grind. This is our grind. We don't know what you came to do, but we came to grind. We don't know what you came to do, but we came to grind. We did it. The moment we came grinding. We intertwine, put a mind together. Defeat the odds, now it's only right we shine together. We grind, we did it, we did it. The moment we came together and started grinding. We intertwine, put a mind together. Defeat the odds, now it's only right we shine together. We grind. What's meant to be could never be stopped. Sitting at the beat of no.
Diba? Ano daw? Hindi na, babalik na tayo.
Hindi. Yung kaya naman daw mga motor kaso binubuhat daw.
Tutuloy tayo.
Kaysa daw bumalik tayo, sayang daw. May checkpoint daw dyan, may mga transient na daw dyan. Pwede naman tayo magstay doon kung sakali. Kahit hindi na natin ipilit yung... Ay hindi, kakausapin ko na lang yung ano na baka pwedeng marib.
Hindi, tingnan muna natin.
Eh, dami daw nakapila dyan.
Na?
Na
Babahating motor?
nag-aantay mga sasakyan.
Oh.
Sir, thank you sa info. Ha? Eh, baka hindi daw tayo makalusot eh. Tatlo daw.
Layo pa man yun.
Ha?
Layo pa ata nun. Wala rin susunod pa lang. Ano mo yung tatlong phone? Tara. Tara.
Nagkaroon ng signal eh. Nawala ulit. Nagkaroon ng signal, nawala ulit.
Baka doon yun.
Ha?
Baka dyan yun. Hindi na matatakot.
Di. Ako matatakot. Sama mo ako. Nalobat na pala to. Oh shit. Hi love, smile ka.
Hi.
Sige na, bye naman.
So ayun, time check 11:38 ng umaga. Stranded tayo ngayon dito sa may Barangay Bayo, Bontoc Mountain Province, sa kadahilan ng hindi passable ang mga kalsada dahil sa landslide. So ngayon, walang signal, disconnected. Talagang ano, nature. Reconnect sa nature. So ayun, wala namang ulan, maganda ang panahon. Ganda dito. Solid. Love, tingin ka dito, love. Saka.
The breeze I describe as exhilarating. By late December I describe as just plain cold. Each rain, there's an exception. One thing I love through all eternity.
Sarap ng ginhawa sa
Never
pagkakain.
could be too much of you for me.
Daming sayote.
Ganun, parang hindi inaabutan ng araw dito.
Ha? Peace ka. Peace song.
In the
2,
arms
1,
of a
smile.
lover, feels so warm and so divine. But by 2 a.m. I'm needing my own space. And on a night when the bed is mine, oh mine, it's not long before I'm longing for someone's embrace. But as with each roll, there's an exception.
Lobat yata.
Got a few rules I wanna state. You wanna play me in this game. This love so loud. Once you say you wanna do it, baby, please back up. If you think you're the kind of thing Feelings are plastic, easy to break. They all fall out once you say you wanna be my baby. So please back out if you think you're ever gonna save me. We can work it out if we want to. Take control of the heart if you want to. Baby, make it fast.
Sige, sir. Wait lang, sir. Dito ka, sir. Dito ka. Dito ka. Lubog dito eh. Dito ka. Dito ka dumaan. Oo. Dito kasi lubog. Dito ka dumaan. Oo.
Sasakay pa ba ako? Sasakay pa ba ako?
Oo, sir, sumakay ka para may balance eh.
Alalayan mo na lang. Ay, sige. Madala na kayo makakita.
Oo, sir. Balance lang kami, sir. Nasa yung ano, galaw.
Alalay lang kami, pre. Sige, alalay ka lang. Dito namin bubagsak.
Yes, sir.
Are.
Pag bumigat dito sa akin, sir, tutulak ko dyan, ha.
Ano nangyari? Sana pinadala mo yung bag. Nabuka ka
Sige, sir.
kasi. Hindi ko may galaw yung
Sige, sir. Sige, sir.
Tulikat.
Sige, sir. Tayo ka muna, sir.
Tulikat ka? Oo, sila.
Kill switch muna, sir.
Tulikat. Sige. Kita mo na. Sige.
Sige, sir.
Ano na? Yung bag.
Ayun na, sir. Bubuhatin ko.
Yung bag.
Wait lang, sir.
Nakabuka na ako.
Ito na, sir.
Ayan. Sige, okay na. Sige, alalay ka namin.
Yes, sir. Preno ka lang, sir. Preno ka lang.
Sige.
Patay mo na yung makina, sir.
Ha?
Preno ka lang.
Patay mo na?
Oo, preno ka lang, sir. Sige. Yes, sir. Kami natutulak, ha. Preno ka lang. Yes, sir. Oo, sir. Hop, ya. Dahan-dahan lang. Hop, ya. Sige, sir. Lusot na, sir. Hop. Balik na, ano, sir. Start mo na ulit.
Okay na, start mo na, pre. Kaya mo na yan? Ha? Kasi balik ka rin sa amin, pre, ha? Oo. Balik mo kami. Okay yan, ha?
Sige, sir. Sir, ganun din, ha.
Oo.
Kami babalanse, sir, ha. Nasa iyong galaw, ha.
Oo.
Ito ka sa kaliwa, sir. Sa kaliwa tayo, sir. Kaliwa.
Pwede mo?
Oh, sir. Lubog dito, eh. Lubog. Dun medyo mababa yung slope. Sige, sir. Sige, sir. Nakalalay kami. Preno, sir, ha. Preno, ha. Sige, sir. Straight lang gulong, sir. Straight lang gulong.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Sige, sir. Straight lang gulong, sir, ha. Oh, sir. Straight lang gulong. Straight lang.
Papaling eh. Sige,
Oh, sir. Oh, preno, sir, ha. Preno, ha. Preno. Preno ka lang, sir, ha. Oh, yeah. Yan, sir. Lusot na, sir. Oh, yeah.
Okay na? Kaya mo?
Oh, yan, sir. Nice. Oh, yeah.
Buti pa yung malilay at saka
Mabigat kasi sa amin, sir eh. Hey, sir.
kami kakabit. Wala ulit.
Patay ako kumain na, sir, ha? Para meron na akong ano.
Sige, sige.
Yeah. Engine brake.
Tamo, tuloy tamo, pre.
Engine brake lang, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sige. Sige. Sige, alala mo, diretso lang naman.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Konti na lang.
Alright.
Nice. Thank you, thank you.
Nice. Ang bigat mo, ha? Ang bigat ka. Ang bigat mo, ha?
Ang daming preno, sir. 5 yung preno. Umaabante pa rin.
Tuloy na rin.
Sir.
Kainit.
Ma'am. Pinasok nga daw ng tubig.
I could dance, I could sing, I could drink anything. If I were a Baptist, I would only dream. I could write a dirty poem, my mind could roam and roam. If I were a siphon, I would drink you up. I could drive my new car faster than a falling star. If I were a sailor, I would miss the sea. I know you could always go somewhere other than here, though. If I were a country road, I would bring you back. I could change the rules around, turn them over upside down. If I were a senator, we would both be king. I could say that I know you, I once said that and she flew. If I were an avalanche, I would break right through. I could go over the sea, kill someone or they kill me. If I were a songbird, I would only sing. I could fall in love with you, tell me if you want me to. If I were a wishing well, I would be too deep. I know someday I will die, you can throw me to the sky. If I were a cannonball, I would never land.
May sea of clouds din dyan. Oh, love. Gift ko to sa'yo, love. Anniversary gift ko to sa'yo.
Picture mo nga, ano?